Good evening, guys. God bless you. Carlos here with Toronto's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So, God, what a beautiful scenery today I got. So today, guys, sorry, I got carried away. So today's video, guys, is about a product that I'm finally able to have. I've been eyeing this product for quite some time now, and I'm finally happy that I pulled the trigger on it. Hopefully you guys like this review. The reason I ended up buying this product is because I've been doing a lot of more corrections, a lot of more coatings. So there's a lot of different vehicles that I'm working on, especially higher end vehicles that I'm doing, where this machine is needed. All right, so I'm about to show it to you guys, and look who's here. My kids just showed up. Here goes the oldest, and then we have, I think that's Allie and Caleb, and then my wife way in the back over there. So they just came from bicycle riding, so I'm not gonna edit this video, so it's gonna be straight shot. But as I was saying, I'm gonna be doing. I finally was able to buy this machine here, which is the SPTA mini polisher. It's a 1.23 backing plate. So, and it's also the orbit is a 9mm orbit. So far I'm loving it the way it feels. It has the 3 grips right here, so it gives you that nice even hold while you're polishing, as well as it comes with a digital display, and then it goes up to speed 7, and I've had it at speed 7 since I got it, and the vibration is very minimal. Like, I don't know, it won't really like feel it. I know sometimes when I'm using the bigger polishers, at the end of the day, my hands, I can feel like the vibration, but obviously it's a smaller polisher. The vibration is minimal. It's not overbearing. One thing I did notice is obviously when you're using this for a longer period of time, which I was actually working on the hood that I have down here just to test it out, and I was running it. If you're running for a while, just be very careful when you grab this area because it was very hot. But other than that, this machine feels solid. All right, so obviously you're able to remove I think this is a weight, but this makes it orbital, and then you're able to take off the plate, connect it straight to the polisher, and will become rotary, which is a plus. But in the polisher itself, it comes from the package or from the unboxing. It comes with the polisher. It also comes with the charger. It comes with a charger, and it comes with the different pads. So it's 3 different colors: heavy cut, medium cut, and a very soft, which I believe would be for your waxes. So this would be for your waxes, sealants. This feels like a medium cut pad, and your green one feels very rough. So this is for like a more aggressive heavy cut. And it also comes with your wool pads. Comes with 2 of each. Also some microfiber pad. So within the package itself, also you get two batteries. One is, these are all pre-charged, I believe, but once I got them, I ended up charging them fully, and I believe on a full charge it gives me around like 30 minutes to 45 minutes of work time, but I could be wrong, so don't take me on that. A beauty of this, I was actually looking when I got it, I was looking for where to charge it, and obviously in this one, it's not on the machine itself. So when you get it, you would pop the battery out, and then the outlet is right there. So you would just connect it here. It's a 12-volt outlet charger, so you're good. And then it has a light at the corner of it. So once you plug it in, it'll be red. When it turns green, obviously that means your battery is ready to go. And also it comes with your instruction manual, and then also you have your little tool, which you're able to remove the orbital and make it into a straight rotary. So I'll be playing with both methods here soon on a couple of next videos, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the machine itself, and how I like the way it looks for presentation wise. It comes in a very well packaged um, foam, so you know it'll definitely take some hits, keep everything in place, and when you're ready to go, obviously has a nice little handle, nice little case, and you're all set. So hopefully this review kind of helped you guys out a little bit of the SPTA mini orbital, and I'll be coming with more videos hopefully in the following weeks working on this hood, and showing you a little bit of how it works, and you know, we'll see how long it lasts me and what I think of it down the road. But today's video was mostly showing you guys my new machine that I got for my business, which I am so excited. Again, thank you to all my customers. If you guys are watching here, thank you so much for the opportunity to always come into your homes, do your vehicles, and put a smile on your face or your families and friends. So again, God bless y'all. If y'all haven't seen any more videos, go on there and check them out. But overall, you guys have a blessed day, be safe, and we'll see y'all next time.